Welcome back to the Stovetop. Recently, while on a road trip, I stopped at a store in Iowa that I had never been to before, Tyson's. It's a chain that's in Iowa and I think one other state. It's kind of like a Tractor Supply or Quality Farm and Fleet or Rural King, something like that. I made a video on it, my first experience walking around the store. I'll include a link to that at the end of this video. So while I was there, I picked up some classic red licorice. And if you've watched any of my videos in the past about this, you'll know that this is my favorite junk food. And a lot of the classic red licorice kind of tastes the same. It looks the same. Maybe it's all made in the same factory. I don't know. But any opportunity for me to get some licorice, I'm going to take. So in this video, I'm going to try out for the first time Family Choice brand classic red licorice. All right, so I have two packages of licorice here, the two sizes they sell at the store. The first is the small bag. This is 6.25 ounces. And it says that there are approximately 8 servings per container. A serving is 1 twist, and that's 60 calories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well that one's only got 7 in it. And then they've got the larger bag, the bonus XL red licorice. So this is a 22-ounce bag. There are approximately 16 servings per container. A serving is 1 twist, and that's 110 calories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the smaller bag and try this out. All right, before I open this smaller bag, I'll read off some of the ingredients. It has corn syrup, sugar, and high fructose corn syrup. It's got palm oil, red dye number 40, contains soy and wheat, manufactured in a facility that processes peanuts, tree nuts, wheat, egg, dairy, and soy. So if you've got any of those bullshit made-up food allergies, you might not like this stuff. All right, so let me go ahead and open up this bag. Pull out one of these twists. So it's kind of flexible. Feels just a little bit sticky, pretty much just regular consistency of classic red licorice. It's got all the twists in it. Smells like that, well, the red licorice kind of smell, a little bit of artificial sweetening, even though it's got real sugar in it. Okay, it's got the consistency of pretty much your standard classic red licorice. It's chewy. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Yeah, if you really like classic red licorice like I do, this is pretty much what you would expect. So if I eat this whole bag, which I will, that's 420 calories, but it doesn't have any cholesterol. So, and I didn't see anything in here about it being gluten-free or not gluten-free. I hope it's got gluten because I like those too. Look, next time I'm traveling through Iowa, I might stop in and pick up some more of this, in addition to a few other things, because they offer a lot at Tyson's. Thanks for watching.